Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and here is a quick hands-on with the new Moto G7. The new Moto G7 was officially announced before the Mobile World Congress, and it was also showcased at the Mobile World Congress 2019. We had tried the device at the MWC, and here is our first impressions and hands-on with the device. The Moto G7 is the latest phone in the G series and also the 7th generation. We had already did a hands-on video of the Moto G7 Plus, which is a top-end variant of the G7 series. The Moto G7 on the other hand comes with decent hardware, and it packs a 6.2 inches Full HD Plus resolution display, and it also has the water drop notch. Looking at the design aspect, you can see Moto has gone with a similar design from the G6 series and comes with a circular unit at the back panel along with the dual camera setup. LED flash is also integrated. It has front and back glass finishing with Gorilla Glass protection being offered. There is also the Moto logo at the back panel. Finishing looks good and feels premium as well, but the design looks a bit dated, especially since we have seen this in the last two generations as well. Now looking at the software, it comes with Android 9.0 out of the box and has stock UI. The device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor, which is a decent chipset in this price segment, but not as powerful as the 636 or the 675. You can see there is no third-party apps available except for the Moto app, which provides additional options like Moto Display and Moto Actions. There is also Dolby audio support available on the device. Now moving on to the camera, it comes with a dual camera setup with 12 megapixel primary camera with f1.8 aperture and a secondary 5 megapixel depth sensing camera. It has all the basic modes including portrait mode, selective color, slow motion and time lapse. There is also 8 megapixel selfie camera on the device. We'll have to test the camera in detail to get an idea about how good the performance is, and we'll do it once we get the device for review. The phone also comes with a 3000 mAh capacity battery along with fast charging or 15 watt turbo charging. We'll have to test the device to see how the battery performance is. This is the ceramic white variant which we tried at the Mobile World Congress. We are not sure which all variants are coming to India. We'll get to know once the device has been officially announced. The back panel logo also doubles up the fingerprint scanner, and you can also see a projection for the camera unit on the back panel. At this time, we are not really sure about the pricing, but the pricing would be the key as the competition is very stiff and Snapdragon 632 is not as powerful as the 636 or 675 or even the Helio P70 at the 15K price segment. So we'll have to wait and see how Moto prices the Moto G7. So that was the hands-on video of the Moto G7. This is a video which we did at the Mobile World Congress. So once we get a hold of the device, the retail unit, we'll have the detailed unboxing and also the detailed review. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.